So, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about find command. Okay, like we saw grep command before. In grep command was used to find the content inside the file. Okay, like if the row is messing with the value we are giving, then it will find the file with the row. Okay, but in find command, we can find directories or files. Okay, so I have the file structure right now, directory structure. So I have some files in my current directory. Some are inside dir1 and some are inside dir2. Okay. Let's say I want to find everything, directory, file, everything, which have like test. Okay. Let's say I'll find the file. Find. Okay. Find command is used to find the file or directories. Find. Then the path where I want to find. Dot slash means from the current directory, it will find all the child directories. Okay. Then name. Let's say I'm giving test. Okay, I didn't get anything. Why? Because there is nothing with the name test. Okay, let's say I want to find the files or directories which start with test. Then I can give find dot slash name test star. It is a regular expression. Star means everything after test. Okay, now you can see I got everything that starts with test test7.txt. I got some directories and files both. Okay, let's say I want to just find the files. Then I can give dot slash hyphen type will be file f. Okay, then name will be test star. Now I only got the file. Okay, you can see now we got some test2, test3 here, test5, test6. But here we only got the txt files. Means the files we got only. Okay, let's say I want to just find the directories. Find dot slash hyphen type d, then name, then I go test starlet. So I got all the directories right now. By default, if you don't give type, it will find everything. If you want to find some files or directories, then you can give the file type. Okay, if I show you, I have some text file where the files are having different cases. Okay, your T is uppercase, T is uppercase. And if we are finding the file, let's say name, sorry, dot slash name, then test star. It was only finding the smaller case, like the case similar to this. So if you want to find the file, like ignoring the case sensitivity, you can give find dot slash I name. I means case insensitive. Then test star. Now I got these files as well, which were like having different cases. Okay. Okay, so one more thing. Let's say I want to find the files with some particular permissions. Okay, if I show you, now I have some files. Okay, here dir1 is having all the permission to the user, read and execute permission to the groups and others. Okay, let's say I want to, what will be the code here? It will be 7, then it will be 5. Sorry, 5, then 5. 7, 5, 5. Let's say I want to find everything that will be having permissions 7, 5, 5. Find dot slash path perm means permission 755. Then I'll give the name everything star means anything can be like the output which are having the file like permission 755. I got everything that are having this particular permissions 755. Let's say I just want to see all the files or folders which are having only read permission to the user. I don't want to check for others. Okay, I just want ki read permission should be there. Okay, at least a read permission should be there. I can do find dot slash perm. For read I can check 4. Okay, 4, then name star. But one thing here 4 means, sorry, 400. Okay, 0 means don't check. If I do like this, then what it will do? It will check the proper matching. Okay, means only read should be there for the user and everything should be vacant. Means no permission should be there for anyone. I'll get nothing. If I want to check for the read permission, only for the read permission for the user, then I can use hyphen here. Okay, now I can see everything who is arriving at least the read permission to the user. Remaining it will ignore. Okay, but the read permission should be there. Then it will find everything. Okay, so here let's say I want to see read and write should be there for the user. Find dot slash perm in 600 name star. Sorry, here I have to give hyphen. Now all the files which are being read and write permission for the user I got. Let's say I want to see for the group. Okay, group should be having executable permission. I want. Then I can give find dot slash perm. Then let's 00. At least one should be there. At least the executable permission should be there for the others. Then name star. And I got these things are having the executable permission to the others guys. Okay. What if I want to find the files like according to their size? Okay. Let's I quickly create one file. That's what. Okay. Let's say I want to see the file which are having more than 1 KB size. Okay. I can give find dot slash size plus 1K dot slash sorry name star. There is no file below more than 1 KB. Okay. Again, I can do like this. If I do minus here, I got the files which are having less than like 1 KB size. So this is all about find command. Thank you guys for watching.